As reliability-centered maintenance is based on preserving the system function, we need to understand how the system or the asset can fail to do this function. Or in other words, how can it functionally fail to do what we want? So in this video, we're going to look at how to define the functional failure, all in just 2 minutes. The functional failure describes the various ways in which a system or a subsystem can fail to meet the functional requirements that are designed into the equipment. It can operate at less than 100%. As long as it doesn't impact the requirements, then it hasn't functionally failed. So here's a real-life example of how it can be used for a car water pump. The system is the car engine, and that engine generates heat as it runs. The coolant circulates through the engine to remove this heat, so the subsystem or the asset might be the water pump, and the function was to pump coolant at a minimum of 95 litres per minute. So let's say the design of the pump is to flow at 105 litres a minute, but today it's dropped to 100 litres a minute. That's fine, because it's not until it goes to 95 or below 95 that it has technically functionally failed. If that happened, the result would be the engine starts to overheat. So we have to set that specific number of 95 for that reason. So by clearly defining the function first in question 1, the functional failure then can clearly be defined in question 2. We would then move on to step 3 or question 3, which is the way that it could fail. So if you want to find out more about these steps of the RCM process or anything else in maintenance, please click on the like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.